Another busy day for autos. Let's get Ford September sales with our Phil LeBeau. Hey, Phil.
Carl, how are you? We have Ford sales down 8.9%. That's a little bit better than the expectation from Edmunds.com, which was for a decline, I believe, of 12.8%. And really what you're seeing here is the story that we've seen from a number of other automakers. They've been able to gradually increase their production in the third quarter, and that's why the sales are coming in just a little bit better than expected. But make no mistake, Ford, along with other automakers, they remain constricted by how much they can build because of the supply chain. Remember, they issued guidance that the Q3 revenue would be light of expectations because they have 40 to 45,000 vehicles that are built but not fully finished, and therefore they cannot deliver them to the dealers who then will then sell them to customers. So as a result, what you're seeing here is an improvement, certainly compared to September of or compared to earlier this year in terms of sales. But you also are seeing an industry that's certainly not back to where it was pre-pandemic levels.
Phil, talk to us about inventory. We mentioned the Jonas note this morning and the prospect of lower prices because there's at least more a new day supply, as they say, right?
Right. You're up to about 30 to 32 days supply for the dealers. At the worst of the pandemic, it was down somewhere in the 22 to 24 days supply. I mean, that's just ridiculous when you were down there. And that's why Adam Jonas is out with this note saying, look, we are starting to see an increase in the number of new day supply at dealerships. However, let's keep in mind that 30 to 32 days supply is nowhere close to what a normal market is for the auto industry, which is 65 to 70 days supply. So yes, inventory is gradually increasing, but it's a long ways from what we would call normal. And then the contention of Adam Jonas is you add in higher interest rates, you add in this inventory that is starting to build here, that you're starting to see prices come down, or we will start to see that. We're not seeing it a lot yet. We might be seeing it on the used market, certainly on the lower end of the used market. But guys, I talked with a dealer just a couple of days ago, and he's getting strong pricing. He is not seeing diminished pricing. So it's still out there in terms of near record high prices in terms of new vehicles. And that's what we saw in September. I think the average transaction price or the average amount financed over $41,000 compared to $38,000 a year ago. So you still see very high pricing.
Yeah, but I know that the Bronco, the F-150, still because of that nameplate issue, they've sold this, but it's just the shortage. But, you know, I spoke with the people from Mercedes-Benz yesterday, Phil. They are making such a push into EV. Do you think that Ford is capable of really doing the EV number that they're talking about? Because Mercedes wants to own this market.
They do want to own it, but everybody wants to own it, Jim. I give Mercedes credit in that they do believe that this is where you have to be. And whether it's the EQS, the EQB, or the whole lineup that is coming, look, those are impressive vehicles. But, Jim, did you see the price tag on the EQS? Guess where it's starting at right now?
I'm scared.
You know where it is.
Not more than 90.
You know where it is. 104,000. 104,000. Now look, I understand there will be people, and I know there will be people who will sit there and say, well, it's early, it's the first edition models, pricing will come down over time. Sure, pricing will come down over time. But in the meantime, you know who's got the hammer when it comes to supply chain, when it comes to manufacturing, when it comes to name recognition in the EV market?
Yep.
You and I both know who it is. It's Elon Musk.
Yep.
And he's putting that hammer down right now.